Arushi, and how you doing? So this is going to be my first baking video of this second season of my channel, and I'm super excited to show you what I'm gonna bake. I'm gonna bake a banana bread today. I find this as a comfort food. It's very warm, delicious, and just comforting. I think many of you have this as your comfort food. And yeah, I had a lot of old bananas and a lot of time on my hand. So quarantine makes you banana bread. So yeah, life gives you old bananas, make a banana bread. So yeah, before going on with the video, like, share, subscribe and comments down below on what you want me to do next. Also hit the notification bell, join the notification squad so that you don't miss any further videos. Also follow me on Instagram and on my Snapchat. And yeah, let's get started. This recipe is completely foolproof. I have made this like 2 or 3 times and it works perfectly fine every time. So yeah, before going, like, share, subscribe and comments down below on what you want me to do next. Also hit the notification bell, join the notification squad so that you don't miss any further videos. And follow me on my Instagram and on my Snapchat. And yeah, bye bye.